How to sell on Bybit spot trading. In this video, I will show you how to sell on Bybit spot trading. Go to trading in your Bybit app. After you go to trading, so now you tap on this price section, and then you tap on this spot, and then you tap on this face and choose the PS you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell this coin. I will search for the coin. So here is the coin. So I'll select the coin at the top. After you select the coin, so you tap on the sell button. After you tap on the sell, so you tap on this limit and change the limit to market. After you select the market, so now you specify the amount of the coin you want to sell. If you want to sell all, you just swipe this one to right, that's 100%. Or if you want to sell 50 or 70%, so you can use this one to specify the amount. After that, you tap on the sell button. So now you are selling on the market price. So the current price of this coin, if you look at this option now, is 76.08. So if you tap on the sell, you are selling in the market price. Tap on the sell button. So now the order has been executed. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.